Did you know that skipping breakfast can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 55%? That's right. What you eat and whether you eat at all in the morning can have a powerful impact on your blood sugar levels and long-term health. For millions of people managing diabetes every day, the first meal of the day is more than just a morning ritual. It's a crucial opportunity to set the tone for stable energy, steady glucose, and a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of diabetes-friendly breakfasts, meals that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also support your health goals. Whether you're living with diabetes, prediabetes, or simply seeking a nutritious start to your day, the right breakfast choices can make all the difference. Breakfast is often described as the most important meal of the day, but for those managing diabetes, it comes with unique challenges. Many traditional breakfast foods, think sugary cereals, pastries, white bread, and sweetened yogurts, are packed with refined carbohydrates and hidden sugars. These foods can cause sharp spikes in blood glucose, leaving you feeling sluggish and hungry soon after eating. Even seemingly healthy options, like fruit juice or granola bars, can pack a surprising glycemic punch. So, what makes a breakfast diabetes-friendly? The key is to focus on foods that are high in fiber, rich in protein, and low in added sugars and simple carbs. This combination helps slow down digestion, preventing rapid increases in blood sugar, and keeps you feeling satisfied for longer. But finding delicious, convenient, and diabetes-friendly breakfasts can feel like a daily puzzle. Let's explore some tasty ideas that are both nutritious and easy to prepare. Start your day with a classic, oatmeal. But not just any oatmeal. Choose old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats, which are higher in fiber and lower on the glycemic index compared to instant oats. Cook your oats with water or unsweetened almond milk and add a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. Top with a handful of fresh berries, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a few chopped nuts. This breakfast is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, making it a satisfying and balanced choice. If you're craving something savory, try a veggie-packed omelet. Whisk together 2 eggs, add a splash of milk, and pour into a hot, non-stick skillet. Toss in spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions, and cook until set. Top with a sprinkle of low-fat cheese or fresh herbs. Served alongside a slice of whole-grain toast or a small serving of black beans, this breakfast delivers protein, fiber, and a rainbow of nutrients. Greek yogurt parfaits are another great option. Just be sure to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, which is higher in protein and lower in sugar than flavored varieties. Layer the yogurt with sliced strawberries, a handful of walnuts, and a drizzle of sugar-free nut butter. Not only is this parfait delicious and creamy, but it also provides a good balance of protein and healthy fats to keep your blood sugar steady through the morning. For those busy mornings, overnight oats are a lifesaver. Combine rolled oats with unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds, and a dash of vanilla extract in a jar. Add diced apples and a sprinkle of cinnamon, then leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a ready-to-eat, portable breakfast that's both filling and diabetes-friendly. If you're looking for something warm and comforting, consider a breakfast burrito made with a whole wheat tortilla. Fill it with scrambled eggs, black beans, sautéed peppers, and a spoonful of salsa. Beans are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar, and the combination of protein and whole grains keeps you energized throughout the morning. Perhaps the most exciting and unique recipe on our list is the avocado and smoked salmon breakfast toast. Start with a slice of whole grain or sprouted bread, toasted to perfection. Mash half an avocado with a squeeze of lemon juice and spread it generously on the toast. Top with a few slices of smoked salmon, a sprinkle of capers, and freshly ground black pepper. Not only is this breakfast bursting with flavor, but it's also rich in heart-healthy fats, lean protein, and fiber, all of which help promote satiety and stable blood sugar levels. Avocado provides monounsaturated fats that support heart health, while smoked salmon offers omega-3 fatty acids known for their anti-inflammatory benefits. This sophisticated breakfast is quick to prepare, visually appealing, and perfect for anyone who wants to indulge without compromise. As you can see, diabetes-friendly breakfasts don't have to be bland or boring. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy a wide range of flavors and textures, all while keeping your health in check. Remember, the best breakfast for diabetes are those that combine lean protein, healthy fats, and whole fiber-rich carbohydrates. Avoiding added sugars and refined grains is crucial, but so is making your meals enjoyable. The more you look forward to your breakfast, the more likely you are to stick with healthy habits. Let's recap the key points we've covered today. First, breakfast is essential, not just for energy, but for maintaining stable blood sugar throughout the day. Second, the biggest challenge for people with diabetes is avoiding hidden sugars and unhealthy carbs, which can lead to spikes and crashes in blood glucose. Third, by focusing on fiber, protein, and healthy fats, you can create delicious, satisfying breakfasts that keep your body fueled and your blood sugar in check. And finally, don't be afraid to get creative. Whether it's a hearty omelet, a tangy Greek yogurt parfait, or an elegant avocado and salmon toast, there's a diabetes-friendly breakfast out there for everyone. If you found these tips and recipes helpful, and you're looking for more ways to enjoy healthy, delicious meals every day, don't forget to subscribe. Join us as we continue to explore nutritious options and easy recipes that make living with diabetes simpler and more enjoyable. Start your mornings right and give your body the care it deserves, one diabetes-friendly breakfast at a time.